Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the practical series of the cloud computing and web services. In the last video, we have completed with the practical number 3 part A. उसमें मैंने आप लोग को how do we create a web service and web service को टेस्ट कैसे करेंगे, right? We done with that part. So in this we have created two methods, two uppercase method and two lowercase method. So these are the two methods that are available in RESTful services. Now let us start with the creation of the client who will call this web service. So go to the project. Right, we have this RESTful web service. Now file, new project, Java application. Next, now this is my RESTful client. Then next, finish. Now this is my client. Now in this RESTful client, right click, new, RESTful Java client. If this option is not available here, go to the other. In other we have a web services, RESTful Java client. Next, now in this window, right, we give the class name for the RESTful client. So now this is my string operation client. Now again package name, this is my string package, and do remember we select the RESTful services, so click on browse and we have a RESTful service here, string operations, and then OK. तो class name देना है, then package name and browse. On this we select the RESTful web service, then click on finish. जैसे हम finish करेंगे, right, as we can see in the project, we have two packages, string package and RESTful client package. So in string packages we have a string operation client, right? This is my system generated file, right? ये हमारी system generated file है, right? In this we have two methods, that is your two lower case and two uppercase. तो ये दो मेथड है. And same way we have a RESTful client. Just click here as we have the entry point of program execution, that is your main method. So we start writing code here. Okay, now सबसे पहले we create a object of full service. So the package for the RESTful service is your string package. So now here we write string package dot string operation client, right? यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग ध्यान दें, right, we have a string package, within that we have a class string operation client. This is my client, so I am giving a object name as client equals to new control space bar and this. तो यहाँ पे हमने ऑब्जेक्ट बना लिया. Now we call the methods, right? There are two methods. तो sout, just type sout and tab. तो the first method is uppercase method. So यहाँ पे हम लोग client dot, right, we have a two uppercase method as we can see here. और double quotes में just give a small case string, that is my Shahid. In the same way sout, again client dot, this time two lower case method and हम लोग जो string देंगे वो upper case में देंगे. So this is a code to consume the RESTful service, right? The simple, we have to first create the object and call the methods. Then we execute this code. Okay, right click, run. As we can see here, यहाँ पे हमने शाहिद स्मॉल में दिया था, बट वी आर गेटिंग इन कैपिटल, एंड कैपिटल में दिया था तो स्मॉल में आ गया, लोअर केस. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन कंज्यूम दी RESTful web services. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.